Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just picked up this Plantronics headset at Best Buy. Cost me $19.99. With taxes it was $21.54. It was down the headset aisle in the computer section. It says it's pretty much, I'm going to call it a universal one. It's tablet, PC, and smartphone. The reason why I got it is I need a headset for my computer with those two jacks. I mean, a USB would have been fine, but if I can use it for, you know, for a backup for my PS4, then, you know, having that adapter there will come in handy. Plug it into my PS4. Not sure if it works yet, but I'm going to assume. It says voice, music, and gaming. Let's see what it says. Control at your fingertips. Inline controls let you adjust music volume, mute, streamline comfort, be heard. Noise canceling microphone reduces background noise, and stow the boom. For 20 bucks, not bad. They had a Logitech one there for like 25 bucks, and it was a USB, and I just thought this configuration was going to be a little bit better. So let me open it up. So it was a pain to open up. They have like anti-theft glue or plastic, I don't know. Side comes with audio and game. Nothing inside. By the way, I did go down the PlayStation aisle, looked at their headsets, and Plantronics makes, I believe, like a $60 one for the PS4. Boom. So it's gonna have these for the computer, one for the mic, the other for the headset. And it also has an adapter that you would be able to hook up to everything else. This little control the volume up and down. Or I'm sorry, that was mute. And this one does up and down. So I will try them out, and I'll let you know how it works. I'm sure I'll be making videos with them on, and I'll put in the description when I do. Thanks for watching.